First, I want you to tell me about yourself.
Uh, my name is Helen, and I am 25 years old. And before, I was studying political science, and
Um can you tell me, have you ever applied in our airlines before?
I didn't apply in your company before or this airline before.
Mm. Mm. Okay, why you want to be a cabin crew?
I want to be a cabin crew because I really enjoy like the new places, discover new traditions, see new people. It's very nice job, and I'm really excited for this job. I cannot tell you how much I wanted this job since I was young.
What do you know about this job? What do you know about cabin crew job?
I know about this job that you really need to like it's a fun job, but at the same time it's also a physical job. Like it's very hard because it's physical job and also it's
Tell
fun
me
job. It's
about your strength.
my strength. Yeah. And I am a very strong person, and my strengths are I'm very ambitious. I'm very open-minded.
Okay, tell me about your weakness.
I am yeah. My weakness that I am really workaholic person. Like I really workaholic person. I like to work a lot. Like working.
Okay, where do you see yourself after 5 years from now?
I see myself after 5 years from now, one of the biggest employee in the company. I can do a lot of things, and maybe I will be the manager of the company.
Okay, uh, are you organized person?
Yeah, I'm very ambitious person. Very organized person. Like I really love everything to be organized. Like I like to organize my work, my time, everything in my life. I always be on time in everything. Like I do the proper thing in every way, the proper job, the proper time in everything.
If you see one of the passenger, he's dealing with you in a very rude way and his attitude is very bad, what would you do?
Talk with me. I'm very patient person. I'm very patient person with people. I always like to listen to people. I'm very nice, and I will talk with him very slowly till he tell me exactly his problem, and I will solve everything for him. Like all. If the passenger his attitude is very bad, I will talk with him slowly and I will solve the problem. No problem at all. I can be so patient with the people. I am very kind person. So no problem at all with me.
Why you leave your previous company?
I don't meet my ambitious, and I'm very ambitious person. Yeah, that's why. I'm creative also.
Why we should hire you?
Your company is my ambitious dream, and I really want to join your company. I really want to get hired in your company. So I left the private job because I have a bigger dreams. I'm a very ambitious person because I have a bigger dreams and I'm a very ambitious person. That's why I want to join your company, and that's why I left my company because I'm very ambitious person.
Okay, congratulations, you are accepted.
Very, very happy. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Think I did it again.